Google provides a dummy analytics account with dummy data for you to work with. This helps in understanding the functionality and features of Google Analytics as a very early learner. You need to sign in to your analytics account using your Gmail ID. Go to the Google search bar. Type in Demo Google Analytics account and press enter. In the results, you will see the demo account analytics help from Google support. As you scroll down, you will find a hyperlink to access the demo account. Click on it to access the dummy data within your analytics account. With this, you are now free to browse through the data and understand the different tabs of Google Analytics using the dummy data that has been populated for better understanding. We have used the dummy data from Google to give you a better picture of all the tabs provided by Google Analytics to study the website data.